Hello, today we will guide you through how to increase number of participants Zoom. If you need to host meetings with more attendees than your current Zoom plan allows, this process will help you upgrade your account and add the large meeting option. We'll walk through where to find the setting and what to look for along the way so the process feels simple and straightforward. To begin, go to the Zoom homepage and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Starting from your Zoom home dashboard is important because it gives you access to your account settings, billing details, and available plan options all in one place. Once you're on the home screen, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Zoom keeps your account-related options. Opening the profile menu is the easiest way to get to the administrative and billing areas you'll need for this update. From the menu, click on Plans and Billing. This section is where Zoom shows your current subscription, any add-ons you already have, and the available upgrade options for expanding your account. If you manage multiple services in Zoom, take a moment here to confirm you're viewing the right billing section before continuing. Next, click on Upgrade. This will take you to the page where Zoom displays the different plans and add-ons you can purchase. The upgrade page can include several options, so don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. Now scroll down and look for the large meeting option. This is the feature designed to increase the number of participants you can host in a meeting. Depending on your account type, you may see different participant limits listed, so it's a good idea to read the option carefully and choose the one that matches your needs. When you find the large meeting option, click Add, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the purchase or upgrade. Zoom will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include reviewing your selection, confirming billing details, and finalizing the change. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you know exactly what's being added to your account. After the process is complete, your new participant capacity should be reflected in your Zoom plan. If you don't see the change right away, refreshing the page or checking your billing summary can help confirm the upgrade was applied. That's it. You've now gone through the process of increasing the number of participants available for your Zoom meetings.